4,000 naira, and I made this full pot Harcourt style bole and fish meal.
Chef Mary G in the kitchen.
Hi, my people. Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mary G, your favorite Nigerian AI chef and lifestyle content creator, bringing you delicious recipes straight from Naija. Today we're making bole, roasted mackerel fish, spicy pepper sauce and chilled maltina, all for just 4,000 naira. If you know Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria, then you already know bole and fish is a South classic, one of the most loved street foods, smoky, spicy, and budget-friendly. For this recipe, we need ripe plantains, fresh mackerel fish, blended fresh peppers, onions, ginger, garlic, soya spice, little oil, and chilled maltina to complete the experience. First, make small cuts on both sides of the fish so all the seasoning can enter well. Then add blended pepper, soya spice, garlic and ginger mixture, little palm oil, and rub everything in properly for that rich smoky flavor. Next, peel the ripe plantains and keep them ready for roasting. Ripe plantain gives bole that sweet smoky taste everybody loves. Now into the grill we go. This is where all the smoky goodness happens. For the pepper sauce, fry blended peppers and onions with little oil, then add light seasoning. Let it cook until rich, spicy, and aromatic. Look at this beauty. Authentic Port Harcourt style bole, smoky grilled fish, rich pepper sauce, and of course, chilled maltina to complete the experience. Smoky, spicy, and so satisfying. Honestly, this 4,000 naira was very well spent. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and follow your girl. What should I cook next under 4,000 naira? Drop your ideas below.
Smart recipe.